Hello there my lovely. Thanks for returning to my channel. I'm here with a new unboxing video for Alexandra Renke subscription box, and let's get right into it. I had seen a lot of posts from the creative fair in Frankfurt, but I have no idea what's inside. It feels very light this time, so let's see. Oh, first thing is washi tape. I have not seen this before. Quite beautiful. It's called Ornamental Mint. It may go with the summer papers, but not 100% sure. And the monthly stamp. That's a wood-mounted block. There you go. Here you have the washi tape in close-up. Very nice. Then we have the signature white paper. Wow, another stamp. Ah, this is lovely. A heart. So beautiful. Some tiny envelopes. Three each, and I'm guessing they are for little love notes for Valentine's. And some sequins in white or cream color and salmon type of color. Well, they do look pinkish at some point, but they are salmon color based. Lovely. And a matching yarn. That's the wool that you can use to knit or crochet, but obviously I don't knit, so I would use it to embellish my cards. And this pen has escaped, I'm guessing. Made in Japan. It's very fine. I will have to research this pen because I cannot see if it's if it contains a lead or what the ink is. So I'll get back to you on this one. Here we have the team who do the actual artworks and designs, and this is the creative box team. So all the faces that you are familiar with if you see or follow Alexandra Renke on social media, especially on Facebook, I would say, even though I have not seen all of these ladies before. They are very, very creative people. So we have an example of their work. This is Ulla, who's here in the pictures, and she created this box. Well, of course, this is one of the instructional leaflets that you sometimes get in the creative boxes, so very nice. Thank you. And now for the papers. Let me remove the box. The first paper, which is a collection of tiny little love notes, including some hearts, and the paper number is 10/17/55. Isn't it just lovely? So obviously you could use this stamp to go with it. And some more hearts. Oh, these watercolor hearts are just lovely, I find. Some of them are quite pinkish, magenta, and the paper number is 10/17/56. Of course, they're always one-sided, and some larger hearts in the same colors. Some are more pale, as you can see, and the paper number is 10/17/59. Ah, this is gorgeous. Same colors but with the string, just like the stamp. And the paper number is 10/17/56. Just to compare. Yeah. They're like a little bit like balloons, but not quite. And this is very nice. You could just frame this, couldn't you? So there's a different paper underneath that's shining through. So this is solid white background. And the paper number is 10/17/57. So this is the color that's very predominant in Alexandra Renke papers, the dark red. This paper does make you a bit dizzy when you look at it. So the paper number is 10/16/11. And the same design but with pale pink hearts. This is much easier on the eye. And the paper number is 10, 16, 13. This does remind you of the summer papers. It's a similar design, but this is more square and this is almost heart-shaped design. Let me show you. Very nice. It almost looks metallic, the white that shines through, but it's not, it's just white. Oh, probably because of the amount of grey that's in there. It's lovely. And the paper number is 10, 16, 75. Very similar, just based on a flower design, I guess. Triangular pattern. And the smell of this paper is so gorgeous. I love it. So the paper number is 10, 16, 76. Absolutely stunning. It's very subtle, but lovely. Oh, and this is the same design as the previous paper, just based on a pink background, or almost salmon colored, probably much like the color of the year by Pantone last year, which was Living Coral. And the paper number is 10, 16, 73. Here we have the same pattern as the washi tape in a similar tone. It's almost turquoisey. I really love these designs. So the paper number is 10, 16, 74. And I think last but not least, yes, this paper is very dark, almost black, but it's purple, very dark purple. It's beautiful. The paper number is 10, 16, 17. Wow, really love this. And then here we go with the first paper. So thank you, Alexandra. I really appreciate these beautifully combined boxes. So I will take a couple of pictures and then I would like to thank you for watching and returning to my channel. Please click like below if you liked my little introduction, and follow me if you don't mind. It would help me a lot. Thank you so much. So stay positive and do what you love. Take care. Bye. Ta-da! So once again I'm returning just to let you know that this pen is a wooden barrel ballpoint pen. It's called Days, and obviously has the days in French on top of it. And yeah, it's a very fine ballpoint pen. I'm not sure if it's refillable, but it's called Days Red in this case because it's red. And the color is almost like the Alexandra Renke signature color. So I'm guessing this is why it was picked. And I'm very happy. It writes beautifully. As I tested on these, what I thought was just a piece of paper, but it turns out it's little tags. Love, love, amour, and some more tags behind it. Surprise, surprise. The tiniest little hearts on there, if the camera would focus. There you go, some dots. So I have an additional 4 tags here, which is lovely. So I'm very happy about this box. Thanks for staying until the end. Bye!